Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Teleflora Flowers is probably one of the most convenient ways to send fresh, beautiful bouquets to your loved ones. With a vast network of local florists, Teleflora offers same-day delivery options, ensuring your flowers arrive promptly and in perfect condition. From classic roses to vibrant mixed arrangements, Teleflora provides a wide variety of choices for any occasion, making it easy to express your feelings with a thoughtful gift. Number 5. Body Restore Citrus Shower Steamers, Relaxation Gifts. These aromatherapy shower steamers dissolve in your shower, releasing essential oils. They are perfect for anyone looking for deep relaxation. It's a great gift for birthdays. This set lasts longer than typical shower steamers, making it a must-have for those seeking natural relaxation. It's ideal for bridal showers, self-care, or new mom gifts. Melt away the day's stress with these relaxing shower bombs. They are great for teacher appreciation, dad gifts, or even postpartum essentials for women. Compact and convenient, these steamers are travel must-haves for on-the-go relaxation. They are perfect for college students or unique spa gifts. Spoil your sweetheart on Valentine's Day or your best friend on her birthday. When it comes to spa gifts or stress relief gifts, this is the ultimate choice. What we like. These aromatherapy shower steamers dissolve in your shower, releasing essential oils for deep relaxation. It's also a travel essential, perfect for on-the-go relaxation. If you are looking for a way to unwind after a long day or need a little self-care on the road, you should consider this. What people say. Tried these shower steamers and they work well. The citrus scent is pleasant and makes showers more relaxing. These steamers smell amazing. The scent lasts through my whole shower and wakes me up. Nice strong scent and they take a long time to dissolve. No residue left. Number 4. Classic fresh fruit basket with crackers, cheese and nuts. We are not only making premium gift baskets, we're also farmers. Our family orchards have been growing the juiciest, sweetest, and most flavorful pears for 3/4 of a century. The California sunshine and rich soils help the fruit to be fresh and juicy. This green label Gouda is from a family farm. They believe happy cows produce better milk, which leads to tastier cheese. Its creamy, sweet, and nutty flavor is the perfect accompaniment to the pears. This classic collection includes olive oil sea salt crackers, fresh crop whole roasted salted almonds, and cherry berry nut trail mix. It's ideal for healthy gourmet gifting. All contents are packed to protect the delicate fruit, beautifully arranged in a fun and festive printed reusable tray. It's tied with a gift ribbon, making this a welcomed gift for any occasion. Gift messaging is available at checkout. Be sure to include your name and/or your company, so the recipient knows who to thank for this wonderful gift. What we like. This gift basket features fresh, juicy pears and apples from their own orchards, along with gourmet snacks. It's a healthy gifting option, perfect for any occasion. If you are looking for a thoughtful and delicious gift for someone, you should consider this. What people say. Perfect size, quality, and variety. She said everything was fresh and delicious. Perfectly ripe fruit, nice presentation. Number 3. Benchmark Bouquets Red Roses with Glass Vase. These beautiful red roses are delivered right to your door. You can confirm the arrival date when you place your order. Want to add a personal touch? Select "This is a gift" during checkout. Include your name so the recipient knows who sent them. The message is revealed by peeling back the shipping label. The flowers arrive in bud stage for maximum freshness and longevity. They should bloom within a couple of days. Remember, these flowers are not for consumption. Remove the flowers from the box, trim the stems, and place them in a vase with fresh water and flower food. Change the water regularly. Keep them away from direct sunlight and extreme heat. This bouquet includes 24 vibrant red roses, ideal for gifts, celebrations, or adding romance. They are carefully packed to ensure freshness, making them perfect for any special moment. What we like. This bouquet includes 24 vibrant red roses, perfect for gifting. It arrives in bud stage for longer-lasting blooms, and next-day delivery is available. If you are looking to express love and romance, you should consider this. What people say. The roses came in perfect condition and opened up to a beautiful bouquet after a few days. They are beautiful. The order came in well sturdy secured packaging, no damage at all. It took less than 24 hours between shipping and delivery, although few states apart. Also, order is same as in picture. Number 2. Benchmark Bouquets White Elegance Fresh Flowers. This beautiful bouquet is delivered directly to you for peak freshness. Make sure to confirm the arrival date when you place your order. It's a perfect gift for any occasion. Want to add a personal touch? Select "This is a gift" during checkout. Include your name so the recipient knows who sent this lovely arrangement. The gift message is revealed by peeling back the shipping label. The flowers arrive in bud stage for smoother travel and longer-lasting blooms. Expect them to open fully within a couple of days. Remember, these flowers are for enjoyment only, not for eating. Upon arrival, remove the flowers, trim the stems, and place them in a vase with fresh water and flower food. Change the water frequently to extend the life of the bouquet. Avoid direct sunlight and extreme heat. This elegant bouquet features white roses, hypericum, white oriental lilies, and seasonal greens. It's a beautiful arrangement designed to brighten any space. What we like? This fresh flower bouquet includes white roses, hypericum, white oriental lilies, and seasonal greens. It's an elegant design, perfect for any occasion. If you like a classic and sophisticated look, you should consider this. What people say? They were $41, delivered, and they were beautiful. Roses lovely on receipt. Lilies open within the first week. A lovely arrangement that lasts for several weeks. They were very fresh and will no doubt last through the holiday season. Number 1. Benchmark Bouquets Life is Good Orange Flowers. These beautiful flowers will be delivered directly to your doorstep. You can confirm the arrival date when you place your order. It's a perfect gift for any occasion. Want to add a personal touch? Select "This is a gift" during checkout. Include your name so they know who sent this lovely bouquet. The gift message will be revealed when the shipping label is peeled back. The flowers arrive in bud stage for optimal freshness and longevity. They will bloom beautifully within a couple of days. Please remember, these flowers are not for consumption by humans or animals. Once received, remove the flowers from the box and trim the stems. Place them in a vase with fresh water and flower food. Change the water frequently and keep them away from direct sunlight and extreme heat. This bouquet includes a delightful mix of roses, chrysanthemums, and seasonal greens. Enjoy the vibrant colors and the fresh scent that it brings. It's sure to brighten anyone's day. What we like? This fresh flower bouquet includes roses, chrysanthemums, and seasonal greens. It's a vibrant and colorful arrangement, perfect for brightening someone's day. If you like to send a cheerful and uplifting gift, you should consider this. What people say? They have lasted for over 2 weeks and wanted to know where they were bought. They love them and the colors are so beautiful. The arrangement was just like the picture and some of the flowers still had to bloom. The colors of all the different types of flowers were so bright and vibrant. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.